Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Realme smartphone. Start by going into settings and scrolling all the way down. Now you need to tap on system settings and select keyboard and input method. After that click on keyboard and choose theme. Now you can scroll down and choose show more to see list of all the available ones. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and select apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon instead. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then choose done and click on this switcher next to keyboarders. Lastly, tap on apply and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!